Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes, comma, yes. The next, S is replacing with is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next step. L is replacing with
L, comma, S.
next. Kavya, 67.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue. Tell me the what shall I write next one?
L should be replaced with S, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Comma, yes. Next one.
Next, S should be replaced with A,
A. Shall I
comma
replace
S.
same line or shall I write yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So some students we written the single line only. Don't replace in single line. Okay, next step, Kavya.
A, comma. Then S should be replaced with A.
Is it right? Check your input string.
No, S should be replaced with L, ma'am.
Hmm. Next, L is
L should be
replaced.
replaced with S.
Next.
S should be replaced with A.
Okay. It is now end of my LMD. Okay. Neha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you possible get one more LMD? Think
Yes,
that
ma'am.
till now I will write a parsley for this. You will get one more LMD or not? You check it out. If you are there, tell. L comma S. L is replacing with S. S is replacing with open parenthesis L. L is replacing with L comma S. L is replacing with S. S is replacing with A. S is replacing with A. S is replacing with open parenthesis L. L is replacing with S. S is replacing with A. Okay, this is called your parse tree. Okay. Okay, Neha, you got one more LMD?
Ma'am, I think it's not possible.
It's not possible. So then shall I go for RMD?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me start with which production? Same production I have to start. Okay, now to continue, Neha. You tell me.
It should replace L,
L
comma
will be
S.
replacing with
L, comma S.
next one.
S, comma S.
S is replacing with rightmost you
Uh,
have to replace now.
A, ma'am.
L is replacing with A. Check properly
S.
input.
S will replace with bracket L, bracket.
Bracket L because you have A is in the bracket. Okay. L comma now L is replacing
S.
yes. So remaining you have to do it. Okay, now don't copy. S is replacing
A.
A. Okay, now L is replacing
L, comma S.
correct?
No, L. No, S.
L is replacing L comma S or what?
S, ma'am.
Yes. Because you have a parenthesis. Now S is replacing
Bracket open
L.
L, bracket close.
Okay, next. RM. L is replacing
L,
L
comma
comma
S.
S. L is replacing S comma Now, which S can I replacing?
Right.
Rightmost S I have to replacing. Okay. Okay, now just by seeing I can't tell. You have to construct a parse tree, then only can tell. You will get it both the parse tree are same or not. You can start. Okay, anybody got the answer? It is in ambiguous or unambiguous? Anyone completed? Okay. What is the answer? Neha, conclude the answer.
Ma'am, it is unambiguous.
The grammar is ambiguous because we'll get it to same parse tree. Therefore, we have same parse tree for given input, then grammar is unambiguous. Clear? Anybody have any doubt? Shall I go to the next problem? Copy down. Parse tree and RMD. The third one. See, if it is understand, then you can. I will go for the next topic. It is enough. I did more than 10 problem. I will do one more, the last problem. After that, I will stop this. I will move on to the next topic. Third one. S derives S plus S or SS open S S star A. For the input, W is equal to A plus A star A. Check the given grammar is ambiguous or not. लिखित ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಂಬಿಗಿಯಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
7, 8, 9 9ನೇದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
9ನೇದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜೈ. ಜೈ ನಂದವನ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಸಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಜನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಹ್ನವಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು?
Ma'am, LMD, if we take LMD, S gives, we can take...
LMD, shall I start with S derives?
Yes, ma'am, S derives.
Which one shall I take?
We can take S star, ma'am.
Think, shall I take S star?
SS.
S star, S star?
SS.
Okay, next step.
Then next step we can take
The first
S.
S replacing with
S star.
S star, very good. Next step.
Then the first S will be replaced with open parenthesis, close parenthesis S.
Very good. Next step.
Then the S inside the bracket will be replaced with S plus S.
Yes. Next step.
Then the first A can be replaced with S, can be replaced with A.
Okay.
Then in the next step, the second S will be replaced with A.
Okay.
And then the last step, the last S will be replaced with A.
Very good. Okay, I will construct parse tree.
Yes.
S there is S, S. S is replacing with S star. S is replacing with open parenthesis S. S is replacing with S plus S. First is replacing with A. Second is replacing with A. The last is replacing with A. Okay. Next, Intas. Intas Muhammad. Okay, I will put a star for Intas also. Okay, 62, Rishik.
Yes, ma'am.
LMD2, possibilities idea?
S plus S, ma'am.
S will be start with?
S plus S.
Nodi S plus S in the Bharuta. S plus S in the open parenthesis, close parenthesis, L haktira.
SS, ma'am.
SS ne ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ? Next, SS ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು LMD ಬರುತ್ತಾ RMD ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು LMD ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? If you start with SS, can I possible to do one more LMD? ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ replace ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ S ಬದಲು? Anyone? I will again asking for Rishik only. See, you will get one more LMD for this problem. Anyone can answer?
No, ma'am.
Oh, then Rishik, can you go for RMD? Rishik? RMD ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ.
Ma'am, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ, ma'am.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are completed, what I give the first slide. Do all the problems. So the next topic is, if the grammar is ambiguous, then how to eliminate your ambiguous grammar. See, for that also you will continuation of the problem. If it is ambiguous, and to write the unambiguous grammar. To making an unambiguous grammar, what are the rules you have to use it? See, we don't have any general algorithm for making an ambiguous grammar. You should be depends on the application of the problem. You have to decide it. We have 4 types of problem solution, but we are using that one solution is by using precedence and associativity method. You have operators are there. According to that operator, we have decide a plus as highest precedence or star as highest precedence. According to that, we are rewriting my grammar. The same grammar we are rewriting with new non-terminal. Then you can write it as ambiguous grammar as unambiguous grammar. Okay, we will do next. Rishik, over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quickly.
Ma'am, the second S will write it as A, ma'am.
Okay, next one.
Then the first S will write it as S star.
Okay.
In the next step, we'll write the S as open parenthesis, S close parenthesis.
Okay.
Then we'll write the S as S plus S, ma'am.
Okay.
After that, the second S will write it as A first. Then the first S will be written as A, ma'am.
Screen visible ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Ma'am, ನೀವು ಬರೀತಿರೋದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Frozen, ma'am. No,
ಓಕೆ,
ma'am.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay.
S plus S ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಎಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ ನ ಎ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ನ ಎ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್
ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾಗ?
yes ma'am, it is the same ma'am, both.
ನೇಹ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೇಹ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಹ್ನವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Ma'am, it is unambiguous.
What statements can I write? We have
The same parse tree, ma'am.
Same parse tree for
Both LMD and RMD.
Parse tree for both LMD and RMD. We can say grammar is unambiguous. Okay, any doubt? Okay, you try with unary operator, one problem. The last 10th problem. Okay, shall I start 10th problem? R derives R plus R or R dot R, R star, A R B. W is equal to AB plus A. R derives R plus R or R dot R or R star or A R B. The input W is equal to AB plus A. Ritik, 61. Ritik is there in the class? Kruti, 68. Kruti. Okay, 70. ಕೃತಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಿಸ್ ಬರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Can you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one should I start? R derives?
RR.
Which one can I take? R can I take?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
R dot R. R is a concatenation. Okay, next step.
Next, first R is replaced with
First one is replacing with A.
A, ma'am.
A dot R. Okay, next
R
step.
plus. Next, A dot R plus R.
R will be replacing with
R plus R.
R plus R. Okay, next step.
First R is replaced with B.
B plus R.
R.
Okay, next step.
A dot B plus A.
Okay, I will construct parse tree. R dot R. R is A. Second R. R plus R. This is B and this is A. Okay. Okay, next, do you have one more LMD, Rajshekar? We'll get R derives Rajshekar?
I think it's not there, ma'am.
I think it's not there. Think 1 minute. I will give you. Think properly.
Starting
Okay.
with R plus R.
Very good. You got it now. Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Starting with R plus R. The first searching is very important. If you got it, the remaining you can do it. Okay. Next step. R will be replacing with.
R, ma'am.
Yes. R dot R plus R. Next, R is replacing with
A.
A.
A dot
R plus R. Next, LM. A dot B plus
R.
R. Next, LM. A dot B plus A. Okay, now what's your answer, Rajshekhar? Justification. The grammar has
More than one parse tree. It is
2
ambiguous.
LMD, then more than one
Parse tree.
parse tree. Therefore, the grammar has more than one LMD and different parse tree. We say ambiguous grammar. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. I think enough for ambiguous problem, 10 problems. There's so many problems. I put it in my PPT. Just copied on the problem, then you have to try to solve by your own. Okay, if you have any doubt, go through that PPT, you can solve it. I move on to the next topic. See, so many, my screen is visible. PPT screen.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Not yet, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, so many problems I did. I did first problem, second problem, third problem I did. Still you have to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you can take it as a homework. I have to do this one. Okay, you make it as this. This slide will be sent it through WhatsApp. I have to do the remaining problem for these things. And so many problem I did minimum 10 problems with solution. Those solution I have not done now. Only those were not included that I did in my classwork. Okay, let I move on to the next topic for eliminating ambiguity. I told if you have the grammar is ambiguous, it is called ambiguous grammar. So how to eliminate your ambiguous? The ambiguous can be eliminated by using for what? Using precedence and associativity. There is no general algorithm to remove the ambiguity, and you can check if you have more than one parse tree, then you can say it is an ambiguous grammar. Then how to make an ambiguous grammar? Because if the grammar have a left recursion, if you have a left recursion, almost we can say the grammar is ambiguous. Converting from these left recursion to unambiguous or ambiguous grammar to unambiguous grammar, and what are the steps? But it is not always should be required converting. But if it is problem required, then only it will go to converting as ambiguous grammar into unambiguous. The ambiguity from the grammar may recovered by using the following methods. We have 4 methods. One is by adding precedence and roots. The second one is by fixing the grammar. Third one is by using semantics. And fourth one is by adding grouping rules. But we are commonly using the first method for all the problem by adding precedence rules and associativity for the given rule. And you have one more problem. One is a dangling else problem. The dangling else problem is if and else. For this, there is no general rule for this. Just you can adding some rules to the given problem, you can write it. That is only the specific application for the dangling else. Just you have 2 statements should be there. The 2 statements will be exchanged with another statement. It will work as without an ambiguity. Other than that, for all remaining problem, we can apply precedence and associativity. See what is that? Removing an ambiguity by precedence and associative rule says we can have a two constraint, precedence constraint and associative constraint. Then how to apply these constraint for the given rule? The rule number 1 says the precedent constraint is implemented using the following rules. The first one is the level at which the production is present define the priority of the order constraint it. See, for example, what these rules says. See, I have a input 2 plus 3 star 5. Yesterday I told this one. What is the answer? The answer is 25 or 17.
Confusion, ma'am.
Which answer is correct?
17.
17, because we know that star has a highest precedence than plus. If you go star as highest precedence than plus, then I can say this is a 17. See that one, if the question paper I want to make it is an ambiguous grammar, you should be assume some assumption. Somewhere question paper only given for the precedence. If it is not given, you should be assume which one I have to give a highest precedence. See, I am assuming star as a highest precedence, the next precedence is plus. Then while rewriting your grammar, see you have an ambiguous grammar. That ambiguous grammar you have to rewrite, no? Then while rewriting you should be write like this. Okay, yes plus, you have a yes plus yes. See, this is S plus yes, yes star yes, and you have a number. For this grammar, obviously we'll get an ambiguous grammar. To remove this ambiguous grammar, you want to make unambiguous grammar, you should be start with yes, then you should be right. See, the first line you are writing, if first line is writing S plus T, the next line, for example, S star T, see you can just, I am telling which one is the level. If you write first line, the which operator that have a lowest precedence. If you want to give any operator as the lowest precedence, you have to start with first. For any operator you have to give highest precedence, you should be right below of that one. According to that, you can write it. I have a 3 to 4 operator plus, minus, star, division. Then you have to give plus as a lowest precedence, you should be right first. Then you have a give minus as a next precedence, you should be right a minus the next line. Then if you have give star as the next precedence, write down in the next line. And you have exponentially the highest precedence is write down in the next level. That indicates the precedence. Then while writing your grammar, it shows your precedence for the production. That only it says this the rule number 1. See what is the rule number 1? The level at which the production is present define the priority of the operator. The higher the level of production, the lower the priority of the operator. They who will be writing the first, you have a lower priority. The lower the level of the production, the higher the priority of the operator. According to that, we are writing. And next is I have to go associativity. There are two types of associativity. One is left associative, another one is right associative. In the question is given plus as a left associative or star as a left associative. Depending upon that, you have to write it. See, if you write operator as left associative, you will generate left recursion production. If it is right associative, then you will generate right associative production. So the next class is very, very important. Don't miss tomorrow 8 o'clock. We are doing problem on how to make unambiguous grammar. Okay. Now it's time up. For you have afternoon class, right? Then I will end. Tomorrow I will continue with the same problem to making an unambiguous grammar. Okay. Thank you.